Hello, in this video tutorial we will be covering how to use Google Scholar effectively to maximize your academic research. In our first video we will detail the steps you need to set up your own Google Scholar account. And in our second video we will demonstrate how to conduct basic and advanced searches within the Google Scholar search bar, as well as filtering results and looking at additional features that are available within the Google Scholar platform. To start and access Google Scholar, enter the URL scholar.google.com in your internet browser bar or access the link from our library's database pages. Once on the Scholar page, you can choose to log into your own account at the top right of the sign-in page. I'm logged in under my own account here. Once logged in, it is best to optimize your Google Scholar searching by setting up and customizing your account on the left-hand bar. You'll notice that there's different features here that are available to you within your Google Scholar settings. You want to come down to the main settings button. You'll notice that you have different options here to customize your search results. You have languages, and you also have what is known as our library links. And this library links allows you to have access to any currently library that you are affiliated with as a faculty, a staff, or student. So what you want to do here is to make sure that you can search for items within Google Scholar that may be in the OLLU collections is search for Our Lady of the Lake University. You'll notice that I already have mine checked off here, meaning I had already added them beforehand, but these would be the options that you would normally get back from your search. What you want to do is make sure that each of these are selected and then hit the save button. Once you have your profile signed in and you have set up your options for resources using the library links, you are now ready to begin searching. In our next video in this series, we will be demonstrating how to conduct basic and advanced searches in Scholar and how to use the related features option. Thank you.